Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick comparison review about these two platforms, which is a financial platform where you deal with your finances. So we're going to check out these two platforms to help you decide which of these platforms will be the best finances platform for you or for you to handle your business finance in 2025. So to get started with these two platforms, so we have Dext and Quicken on the comparison review. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms, which is Dext is a automation tools focused on extracting, organizing, and syncing receipt bills and invoicing with your accounting software. It's ideal for business and also a bookkeepers. Talking about Quicken, on the other side, is a personal finance and small business management tools that help users track budget, expenses, investment, and even rentals, properties, income. On the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness of this platform, I'm starting with the Dext as the first option. Talking about the strength of this platform is Dext. Dext has a smart document extraction for recipients and invoicing integration with a QuickBook, Xero, and other accounting platforms. So this helps you save hours of manual data entry. Talk about the drawback of this platform, which is Dext. Dext is not fully accounting or a personal finance platform. Dext also is not a mobile subscription pricing and can be steep for casual users. It also requires another accounting tools to be fully useful. So the app or the platform cannot stand on its own. And that is the quick drawback about this platform. Now talking about the Quicken on the other side, revealing the strength of this platform. So Quicken track personal budget, investment, and property incomes. Quicken also help with a long-term standing repetition and offline access. It also includes tools for tax, retirement planning, and loan. And talking about the drawback of Quicken, which is the weakness of Quicken, Quicken is a desktop first software with limited flexibility on mobile. It also have a low interface field updated compared to cloud native tools, and also no business grade automation or integration. Now here's my overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can choose Dext if you are managing a business and need to automate how receipts, bills, and financial documents are captured and pushed into your account system. So you can just simply go for the platform. So on the other side, if you are individual with household or a landlord managing personal budget, investment, or rental income with a focus on details financial planning, you can just simply go for Quicken. So that's just it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.